Welcome in the Aria on the Las Vegas Strip. We are staying here for only one night. It's a massive property, so we have no time to waste, so let's get rolling. Welcome to our crib in the Aria. Come in. Here we are in our king room with a strip view on the New York MGM airport. I already love this room. It is so spacious, it's so fresh, it smells nice. So let's take you on a little tour through this room. What I absolutely love in every hotel room is a seating area for my morning coffees, just to wake up and not have to sit on the bed. So this is a plus. All right, so we have a little desk area, and then we have a mini bar with only 2 snacks. And they do have a fridge, however, it doesn't have like any space for your own drinks and snacks. So don't touch it because they will charge it directly to your room and it will cost you $1,000. And you don't want that. So when you enter the room, you have a little hallway. And what I absolutely love in this hallway is that you have a full-size mirror for your fit check when you're going out. And next to the mirror, lots of storage space where you can just try on all the outfits you brought. All right, last but not least, the bathroom. I really like the fact that this is a closed toilet because, you know, the hubby smells really, really bad. So just close it. The other thing I like is like you have 2 sinks. So one for me, one for the hubby. The lighting is actually very nice here. Good for your makeup. And then look at this spacious shower. Whoop. And you have a bathtub. It's not really big, but let's try. Oh, it's not really big. I'm not really tall, but it's fine. It's fine. It's massive shower. You can even just sit here, relax. You have some body wash, shampoo, conditioner, towels. Yeah, I like it. Took my shoes off because it's time for the most important part of the entire room tour, which is the bed test. So here we go. Oh, it's pretty high. Double pillows. I like the fact that they have double pillows. It is nice and soft. So I would say for now it's sunny proofed and Watch till the end of the video where I will tell you if the bed is comfortable or not. So they have like 3 little pools, like 2 little pools and 1 bigger pool. It's only for Aria and vidIQ guests. You need to check in with your room key, so then you can just relax here for the entire day. Just need to cool off after intense working out. Little shop just before you enter the fitness center. You can even buy like new gym clothes if you forgot them to bring you with you, so you have absolutely 0 excuses to skip your workout. We just went up from the casino floor to the next floor. On the casino floor you have like many restaurants, bars, but if you go 1 floor up, there are more restaurants and you do have the proper eats food hall with some less expensive items. $2 oysters, happy hour, Monday to Friday, 4 to 6 p.m.
The next morning.
All right, it is time to check out here at the Aria. Checkout time is at 11 a.m. I actually slept pretty good here. The bed is really comfortable, soft. It has double pillows, which I really like. Other things we loved about the Aria is the room. I don't have to say anything else about the room. It is clean, it is fresh, it is very, very spacious. We arrived at noon, I think, and we weren't sure if we could already do a early complimentary check-in. There was a room available, so at noon we already had a room. It was on a weekday, so keep that in mind. It might be different during the weekends. Our view is absolutely amazing. We have a view of the MGM Grand and Park MGM Airport, New York Hotel. This is a strip view, which is really nice to have. The things we didn't like about the Aria, it doesn't have a fridge. Well, it does have a fridge, but it is stocked up on the drinks and snacks from the hotel. So it doesn't have any space to put your own drinks, your own snacks. The food hall, the proper eats food hall here at the Aria, closes at 10 p.m. at night, which is, in my opinion, a little bit early for Las Vegas, especially if you're here to gamble and to drink, have a good time. It's not possible to get any food like after 10 p.m. However, overall, we really like this property. We stayed for one night. We got the night comped, so we only needed to pay the resort fee and the taxes, which is a total amount of $62. We stayed here from a Thursday till a Friday, so it is during the week. But yeah, I would say it's really, really good. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments if you ever stayed at the Aria or if you are going to stay at the Aria. Let me know your thoughts about this property. Like, subscribe, you know what to do, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.